This exhaust repair costs thousands at the dealership and most other shops that you probably go to, and not here. And let me show you why. Because we have welders, we have raw materials, we have the same materials that the manufacturers use to put those exhaust systems together on the assembly line. Therefore, we can cut, weld, and repair. So let me show you what's up. This whole section here was rotted out, and the problem with that is if you want this done at the dealership, that comes with a $4,000 catalytic converter assembly. Then on the other side, that comes with the muffler assembly. At most shops like Pep Boys, Mavis, Firestone, Gas Station Mechanic, or regular mechanic, they don't usually have welders, pipe benders, expanders, flex pipes, raw material, and therefore they don't usually get involved with exhaust work. It's actually pretty complicated. So here we just cut out the bed, weld in the good. We buy you some time until something else fails. Thanks for watching.